We're here at Your Coffee in Brunswick, Melbourne, Victoria, and we're here to make the best coffee in the world. So Your Coffee are an artisan roaster. Their mission has been to bring their client base closer to the production process.
And what we wanted to bring was a way to make the plant extremely flexible so that we could satisfy a broad range of customer demands with short lead times and a focus on reducing waste. So my background is engineering, and I wanted to bring those learnings and those principles to artisan coffee and show people that you could do a really high quality specialty product, but you could do it consistently. You could do it day in, day out.
Your Coffee researched the market and found that Ignition was a platform that could enable them to achieve what they wanted.
Yeah, and do it quickly as well. So we can have customers go into their online portal, put their order in via that platform. That then speaks to production. So when the guys walk in the morning, they just go, yep, show me what orders we need to do. Even if there's a common product across, say, 2 customers, it'll consolidate that for them and then finish it all in the same day. So we're talking like a 24 to 48 hour turnaround on a fresh product for customers, which is unheard of, really.
We worked very closely with Your Coffee to get the scope right up front.
And then his team executed on the project really well. They were great to communicate with, always answered the phone, put in place all the little things that evolved over the time of the project and delivered it on time. That's no small feat.
This really is a solid stepping stone for the Your Coffee guys to a full Industry 4.0 solution. The way that we're bringing the online sales ordering process directly through to the factory floor, and this is a perfect case for us to be able to apply these technologies to help Australian companies maintain their competitive edge and help us sustain Australian manufacturing.